welcome. So today we are making a chocolate raspberry tart, and the base I'm making with pecan meal or pecan flour, which is basically just crushed pecans. And it's really easy because there's no rolling. You just press it in like you would do a cookie crust base. The flavor combination of the raspberries, chocolate and pecans is heavenly. It's a real showstopper dessert if you are entertaining, and it's a real treat for your eyes and your tummy. So let's make this. We are going to start by making the base of the tart. So we just add in the pecan meal flour, confectioner sugar, flour, and salt. I'm just gonna give this a mix and then add the melted butter. Once you've mixed in the melted butter, we're just going to press this into your tart pan. I have this lovely rectangle one, but you can use a round one too. I've greased it with some softened butter so that it's easy to take out when we're done. So easy peasy, we're just going to gently press it in and go up the sides too. Okay, so just make sure it's nicely pressed in, especially into the sides. And with a fork, I'm just going to make some holes because I don't want it puffing up too much. Now I'm going to put this on another tray just in case the butter drips. You don't want it burning at the bottom of your oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. It'll be nice and golden and the nutty flavor in the pecans really develops. While the tart base is baking, we are just going to puree some raspberries. So just put them in a food processor or a blender, and that's it, just raspberries. Oh my god, look at that color. We're just going to strain this so that there are not too many seeds in it. So see, like this, it just catches all the seeds so they won't sort of come in your mouth. And that's it. Now this beautiful ruby red juice we're going to put on our cooled base. So we'll pour the raspberry puree. Look at that. Yummy. And now we're going to chill this and make the chocolate ganache. For the chocolate ganache, I have some heavy cream here with a pinch of salt. I'm going to add some brown sugar and vanilla extract. And we're just going to heat this up till it's simmering, not really hot. I'm just going to chop this chocolate a little bit because I don't want the pieces to be too big, and then we're going to pour the hot cream over it and it'll just melt itself. So this is about 60%, so it gives a very nice rich chocolatey flavor. Now we will just pour the hot cream over the chocolate and let it just stand, and it's all going to melt and become wonderful. And I'm also adding a little bit of butter. While this is hanging out, we're just going to put some raspberries on our base. We're just going to put some raspberries in the center so they look really pretty when we cut the tart. of squish them a little bit because I don't want them popping out from the top. This is quite fun. We are going to pour this silky smooth ganache into our tart. We're just going to let this chill in the fridge, and we'll make some yummy cream to pipe on top. We're just making a quick raspberry cream, and we'll pipe a beautiful design on the tart. So I just have heavy cream and some confectioner sugar, and we're going to whip it up to soft peaks. Okay, just till the soft peak stage, and now I'm just going to fold in some raspberry in it. I'm just swirling in the raspberry puree that I saved from earlier. I'm just going to put this in a bag with a star tip. So this is a beautiful tart. It's been chilling. I'm just going to take it out of the pan. So just gently push the removable base. Yay! We have raspberry cream in a piping bag with a star tip, and I'm just going to pipe. Ta-da! And now let's add some raspberries for a little pop of color. Let's cut a slice and taste this. Look at that beauty. Wow. The flavor combination is divine. You have to try it. If you do, I'd love to hear about it. So let me know either in the comments under this video, or send me a DM on Instagram. Come say hi. Please remember to subscribe. It really helps me. Like this video. I have these beautiful desserts here on this channel. The full recipe will be on my website, nadineali.com. I hope you share this with your loved ones. Until next time.